Good morning. My name is Fabian Camilo Rodriguez, a student of electronic engineering. We are going to start with the English activity. Chevron, this what the company chosen because the companies that mention the oils are always in the eye of the press because they must be very careful with the use of the ore and that the company is not production a lot of contamination. Also, the petroleum is the topic of the moment. This company contribution to pollution when it throws the waste into the environment. This damage is very serious and very toxic to nature and animals. Chevron does this and many activities that increase pollution every day. The company must use new methods to night toxics wait and look for special strong so that they do not contaminate empty. Chevron must and stop pollution of the water way they are pollution the water because of the heart is the petroleum. The only way out of this problem is to work together and it's the company commission and we can make a real sweat and stop so much pollution in the world. Bye bye.